Traders, hello traders. Today is the 14th of October 2011, and happy trading to you all. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochasticmarket.com. This video is for educational purposes only. It is neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. For all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This is very important. The title of this video is the stock market trading tools. We know that the Elliott wave theory is a market tool. The Fibonacci retracement, the Fibonacci extension, these are market tools. So you can see here I have some drawing tools here, okay, and these are market tools. The pitchfork tools, okay, the gun tools, okay, these are very important tools, okay. But a tool cannot make you a successful trader, okay. In order to become a successful trader, you must learn to master, okay, the trading tool, understanding the tools and practicing to master the tool, okay. So it takes time, it takes dedication and responsibility to learn to master a tool, okay. Also, the indicators are trading tools. MACD is a trading tool, stochastic is a trading tool, RSI is a trading tool. Trading systems are trading tools, okay. But the most important trading tool is yourself, okay. You will make a decision to enter the trade, to exit the trade, to manage the trade, to control the risk, okay. Most of the hedge funds and the institutions and the bank, okay, company like Goldman Sachs, they spend most of the time trying to avoid losing money. But not only to lose money, the second thing that they try to avoid is to avoid being forced out of a trade. Being forced out of the trade, okay. So you don't want to lose and you don't want to be forced out of your trade. So you open your portfolio, you will open like 10 trades running nicely for you, but a situation can arise that can force you to close all these trades, and that's why it's so important to manage your risk carefully. One of the tools that one of the tools that you can use to avoid losing money, or to at least to reduce your losses and to avoid being forced out of the trade, especially avoid being forced out of the trade, is the trading triangle. We have talked about this many times, but this is one of the tools that traders are neglecting the most. So they come in, suppose they want to trade down, okay, so they will come like this and they will just tap in down, okay. They want to trade down, so they come down and they will go, this is what happened, they will go on a daily chart, okay. Okay, they all go to the daily chart. Okay, they're looking for a chart pattern or resistance or whatever, and they make their decision on a daily chart alone. That's perfectly wrong. That's completely wrong. It is nothing wrong to use the daily chart itself, but if you want to use the daily chart, you must use at least another time frame, either entry time frame or another higher time frame. So if you are using a daily chart as your higher time frame, you must combine that with another time frame to enter your trade. This is about the TSTWSYS08 trading system. Now, what's happening is the trader will come here and look for whatever they're looking for, and they will stop there and make their trading decision according to what they have seen and what they have perceived through the chart. But there is a better way, okay, to trade, and this is about the trading triangle, and I will show you how you can use the trading triangle. So we want to trade Dell. Dell is listed on the Nasdaq 100. So if you want to trade Dell according to the trading triangle rules, we must first look at the market. So the market is the S&P 500. So we're looking for the first thing that we'll check is the S&P 500. Okay. So we are looking at the S&P 500. Okay. So this is the daily chart of the S&P 500, but you want to look on a monthly chart. You don't want to look on the daily chart. You want to see a higher time frame, the bigger picture. The bigger picture. That's the key. Okay, so we know that here this month the price went from a support level. Now it's stopping at a resistance level. Can you see that? This was a support level. Can you see the line that I draw here? Support level, a value support, just conservative trading, hot spot trading zone. You see, a beautiful support zone. Price drop down, hit a support level. You acknowledge it. Those who sold it here took profit here. Another trader bought it here. That's what we call a hot spot trading zone. Using a hot spot trading zone and a TSTWSY08, the professional trader, is a powerful tool. So you see, this is what's happening on this monthly chart right here. Now we are again at a resistance level. This is another hot spot trading zone. See, this is the resistance here. This resistance here. This resistance. This resistance. We again another resistance level. So we can perfectly exit our trade here and wait for the next move. Either we break above it and retest it and turn around, continue movement to the outside, or we may turn around again, bumping between these two levels. Trading is a simple game. Keep it very simple. Okay, very simple. It's a different matter whether you are a highly qualified person, whether you are too intelligent, whether you have done some more complicated in life before. Trading is a different issue. 5% money management rules, stop loss, and keep it simple using your trading tools. So now we look on the monthly chart of the market. This is the market. So the top of the trading triangle is the market. Nothing is stopping you after you look on the monthly chart. You want to be curious, okay? Push it higher, okay? This is the quarterly chart. Double top, a lower low. It doesn't look bullish, but the price went from this support level to a resistance level. But a double top and a lower low is not very bullish, okay? But we will see how the price will manage it when it reaches this resistance. So there is a better resistance level here. So if the price continue up, this will be a major resistance level. So this is what we see on the quarterly chart. Alright, let's be a bit more curious, okay? For the first time, if you never look on the yearly chart, okay, let's be a bit curious. We are still on the market so far. So this is on the yearly chart. This is what we see. A beautiful double top, price down, push it up. Now there's the kind of pullback happening this year. Okay, so this was happening on the yearly chart. Volume is rising nicely. Okay, up to this point. Okay, so this is what you see. So we know what's happening on the market. So S&P 500. So if you like, now we can drop it down to the level where everybody's stopping. The daily chart. This is the daily chart. Consolidation, but we know that we are at a resistance level. That's why the price is consolidating, acknowledging that resistance zone. Okay, so we want to know now this is a transition zone. So we want to see whether we're going to go up or down, back up, down. Okay, so you see, this is what you see on the daily chart. Next step, we want to look on the sector, the group to which this Dell belongs to. You remember, we want to trade Dell. Okay, so don't forget that. So now we're going to look at the Nasdaq 100, because it's listed on the Nasdaq 100. So where are you? This Nasdaq 100, and we'll do exactly the same thing we did with the market. So we will acknowledge the information that we receive on the sector. In this case, I'm using the Nasdaq 100 as my sector, and I will go through the same thing. Go through the monthly chart, go to the quarterly chart. Not just looking at the chart. You see, this is what we see for the Nasdaq 100. Different picture compared to the S&P 500. So we acknowledge what's happening here also, and we see a kind of inverted head and shoulder taking place here, and the price now above the neckline section here, retesting the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder. This is what we see. We just acknowledge it, try to understand what the price is communicating to us. So we do the same thing for the market, the same thing for the sector. In this case, I'm using the Nasdaq 100. because Dell is listed, okay, on the Nasdaq 100. So we see the triangle now. So the market first, the sector. Now we are going to look at Dell itself. Okay. This is Dell now. You see, this is the monthly chart of Dell. And Dell, you can see that this declining trend line is broken. Dell is retesting that, but you can see there is a smaller consolidation taking place here. We are on the upper side of the consolidation. Remember what you have seen on the S&P 500 chart, the Nasdaq 100 chart. Acknowledge that we are at a resistance level, that the price went from one resistance level to the next, one support level to the next resistance level. Even though it looks bullish here like this, on the market zone, we are at a resistance zone. So watch it carefully, because the market, the sector, will influence the individual financial instrument. There are more to say about this trading triangle and how you can use it. Talking also about the heart of the trading triangle, which means the leaders of the sector. So we are dealing with Nasdaq 100, so we are talking about the leaders like Apple, Google, okay. These are the leaders on the Nasdaq 100. So we must pay attention to those leaders. What are they doing? And also the fundamental, which means go to Google Finance, go to Yahoo Finance, and check the balance sheet, check the ratios, check the short-term debt, check the cash flow, check the sales, check the competition, okay? Check the future of this company, and see what's likely the product, and if you're going to stay in the trade for long. But if you are day trading, okay, you can maybe skip that, but it's just attention. Is the company about to release earnings news? Because this week has been earnings time. You want to know if there are some news release, the earnings seasons, okay, and the season, the trading season itself, and pay attention to all this, okay. Now you see now, so from the market to the sector before the individual financial instrument, and if the market is trending down, we want to sell and look for financial instrument that we can sell. If the market is going up, we look for financial instrument that are going up. But going back again to the S&P 500, what usually take place, traders will come like this, okay, and these people, they are smart people, and they tell them that if the price is going up, you buy, which is perfectly okay. So they will draw their trend line, okay, and they will say that the price, okay, like this, they will say it's going up, so they will just buy. But you see, according to earlier way, the market doesn't go in straight line. It's going up to this level, it pulls back. So during this time when it was pulling back, you will give priority to sell, which means select financial instrument to sell. But the trend is up, but you don't want to sell during that time. You don't want to buy during this time. Here again, it went up again because the market is moving in waves. Now again, it's pulling back. Understanding the age of wave, another trading tool. Understanding that the market doesn't go in straight line. What usually take place, traders see the price going down, they say it's going up, so they keep buying. So where is it going to stop? They just keep buying. Yeah, the trend is going up. They will even buy here. Madness, total madness. And you see, down. So you want to pay attention to the resistance, key resistance level of the market, and also wait for a pullback in the uptrend and a rally in the downtrend before you can use this, what I call the harmonious trading method. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful about the trading triangle, that you put into practice together with your trading tools, the TSTW24, the TSTWSY08, and the TSTWSY008. This is the way you do it. 5% money management rule, stop loss for all trade, and using the trading triangle carefully, no rush. Smart traders are patient traders. You waiting like a cat, or you relax at the right moment, you jump on it and take your piece and go. Thank you for watching, okay, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTWSY08 traders.